everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make my version of an egg omelet. So let's get started. So the ingredients you need are 2 eggs or 3 eggs. I prefer only using 2. For me, we're going to use in the omelet is oven roasted white turkey, and then we're going to use American cheese. We don't have shredded cheese right now. So what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and crack your eggs. Like so. Throw them in the trash. And then one more. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to crack them open. There you go. Made a little hole, but that's alright. Alright. What we're gonna do is wash your hands so you don't get attracted to the sound now and make you sick. So we're gonna this is going. We're gonna go put you guys right up here. Alright, this little tiny space in my kitchen right now, so that's alright. So how's everyone's day going so far? So mine's doing alright, you know, just normal. Alright, so once you're done washing your hands, good. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and whisk up the eggs. We're going to beat up the yolks. And then what I heard from other cooking channels is you don't want to season your stuff just right at the time when you're beating up your eggs. For reasons I forget. Alright. Those look all whiskey and good. We're gonna go ahead and put our fork over in the sink. What we're gonna do is, doesn't matter what you use, if it's just olive oil or butter or anything like that. I use an extra virgin olive oil. It's a non-stick cooking spray, so I'm gonna grab that, and then I'm going to spray some of that on your pan. Wait for a little while until it heats up. Just want to feel over the stuff, over the pan, to make sure it's hot enough to where you can put it on the, you can put your eggs on the pan. So I'm in the process right now of making a bagel to go with this. You know, back in my old house, I used to make omelets with a bagel. One had peanut butter on it and one had jelly. I don't know. It's like a perfect combination. So it's going to take a little while to heat up because this is a electric stove. It's not like a normal stove. All right. All good, so let's go ahead and pour it in. Now, it's not going to be the best omelet looking like, but you know, it's whatever. So we're going to go ahead and salt likes to stick around on the pan, on the inside of the thing. We're going to go ahead and start seasoning our egg, and then when it gets to like a when it formally like finished up cooking and everything, that's when you know it's ready. So it's not ready right now, so it's gonna take a little while. So I'll get back to you guys when it is ready. All right, guys, and we are back. So if you look at that, I'm gonna move the pan a little bit. These 2 parts right over here, they're still ready, but that's okay. So we're about there. So like I said earlier, I'm in the process of also making a peanut butter and jelly bagel. So that's good. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and start putting your cheese and meat on your egg. That's when, so after you're done, when you fold the egg, you want to go ahead and like, yeah, I think so. You're gonna lay out the cheese in like 3 pieces. And then what we're going to do is crush the meat. Alright, it is ready to be taken off. Let's go ahead and put it on this part for right now. So we can just finish up making our bagel over here. Our lovely peanut butter and jelly bagel. I just need to add jelly to the other one. And yeah, it's a lot of jelly. Smooth it all around. It's the best combination to go with a omelet. Best combination ever. And there goes a little piece of jam. I don't know how y'all say it, but I call it jelly. Nice Concord grape jelly. Alright. Put our knife in the sink. And now what we're gonna do, oh, that egg smells so good. We're gonna go ahead and fold the egg up. I think it's sticking a little bit. Well, I don't know how well this might go, but it's already starting to break a little bit. That oil didn't help a lot, but so if you want to make the perfect omelet, you know, put it on the plate and serve. But at the moment, mine started to break out a little bit. So I hope you guys enjoyed a little tutorial how to make a perfect egg omelet. If you did, make sure to subscribe for more, and I'll see y'all later. Bye bye. All right. Here's the final results. I was able to manage to get this puppy off the pan, but it is pretty good. I did go ahead and season it a little bit on the top, you know. So it turned out pretty well, you know. Let's just look at that egg. Oh, just look at that egg. Oh, that looks so good, doesn't it? And then of course we have our peanut butter and jelly bagel. So good, cheese and everything. So like I said, hope you guys did enjoy this. If you did, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see y'all later in the next video. Bye. Oh, and just a reminder, I do have a new channel out, Warren Science Kentucky, and if you guys want to subscribe over there, make sure you do. I don't have any videos up yet, but I will here soon. So until next time, guys, have a great day, and I'll see y'all later. Peace out, Luigi's.